Good morning students. Today I will discuss chapter 10 circle, 10th class, lecture number 1. Students, in 9th class you have studied about circle and their basic terms like what is radius, what is diameter, what is chord, what is sector, what is segment. So today I will start your chapter. What is circle? Circle बेटे एक collection of point, these collection of point, this one in a plane at a fixed distance, at a fixed distance from a fixed point से fixed distance ले रही है. These are collection of points and you join them, you find a circle. A collection of points in a plane which at a fixed distance, that is OA, OB, OC to so on, from a fixed point, that is O, is called a circle. This fixed point, fixed distance OA, OB, OC, it is called radius of the circle, and this fixed point O is called the center of the circle. So it is the definition of circle. Then secant line, a line which intersects the circle in two distinct points. This one, this is a line which intersects the circle at point A and B. So that line is called secant line. Clear? Then tangent line, a line which meets the circle at one point. This one, this line intersect the circle at one point. Or how many tangents you can draw on a circle? You can draw infinite number of tangent on a circle. Clear? Then first point, there is no tangent to the circle passing through a point lying inside the circle. If it is a circle and if P is a point, can you draw the tangent to the circle from this point? No, we cannot draw any tangent. You can draw the secant line, but you cannot draw tangent line. Second point, there is one and only one tangent to the circle passing through a point lying on the circle. If it is a circle and P is point on the circle, how many tangent you can draw? It is only one and only one tangent you can draw on a circle from a point. And then third one is, there are exactly two tangents to the circle through a point lying outside the circle. And if it is a circle and P is outside the circle, how many tangent you can draw? You can draw two tangent from the external point. So if a point P lies inside the circle, how many tangent you can draw? 0. If a point lying on the circle, how many tangent you can draw? Only 1. And if P is outside the circle, how many tangent you can draw? 2 tangent you can draw. Clear? Then this is the theorem. You have studied about this theorem. The tangent at any point of the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Clear? You have studied this theorem. And then 10.2, the length of tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So these two theorems, they are very, very important, and you learn them and you make them understand. Thank you.